Hello everyone, this is a part 7 video on percent. In this video, we are going to learn about what is simple interest and how do we calculate that. So what is interest? Interest is the additional sum of money that is paid or received on a borrowed or invested principal, also known as amount, over a specific period. For example, if a person borrows 5,000 rupees from some other person for 2 years. So after 2 years, the person will pay him back only 5,000 rupees. No, he will pay 5,000 plus some extra money. This extra money is known as interest. And there are two types of interest. One is simple interest and one is compound interest. In this video, we are going to learn about simple interest and we will see few problems how to calculate simple interest. So how to calculate interest? To understand the concept of interest and the simple interest, I have taken few cases. Here we have case 1. Find the interest on 4,000 at 5% per year for 1 year. So what we are calculating here, 5% of rupees 4,000. So 5 over 100 times 4,000. This 20 will be cancelled with these 20. 5 times 40 will give us 200. And this amount is in rupees because 4,000 is in rupees. So what is this 200? 200 is a 5% of 4,000 and 200 is the extra amount which one has to pay. Extra. And how many times he will pay? Per year. Every year, one time. Once in 1 year. And he has borrowed the money for how many years? 1 year. So he will pay extra amount interest 200 rupees in 1 year. Now here I have taken the case 2. Find the interest on 4,000 rupees at 5% per year for 2 years. So 5% of 4,000. This we have already calculated, which is rupees 200. Now, how much one has to pay? Every year he has to pay 200 rupees. And he has borrowed the money for 2 years. So, for first year, he has to pay rupees 200. And for second year, he has to pay rupees 200 again. So altogether, how much interest he has to pay? 200 plus 200, which is 2 times 200 rupees. He has to pay extra. Now here we have our case 3. Find the simple interest on 4,000 at 5% per year for 3 years. So here the person has borrowed the money for 3 years. So 5% of 4,000. We have already calculated this amount, which is rupees 200. And here the person has borrowed for 3 years. So for first year, he will pay rupees 200. For second year, he will pay rupees 200 again. And for third year, he will pay rupees 200 again. So altogether interest he will pay 200 plus 200 plus 200 for all 3 years. 3 times 200 rupees. He will pay extra amount, is known as interest. So here we can derive the formula for the simple interest, which is, if we see how we have got this 200 rupees, we have got 5% of 4,000 And how many times? 3 times he will pay for 3 years. So here 3. So what all values we are writing here? We are writing here R, we are writing here amount, principal amount, we are writing here the time period over 100. And this formula is known as the simple interest formula. So here we can conclude the simple interest. Simple interest is the additional sum of money that is paid or received on a borrowed or invested principal amount over a specific period. So simple interest is P times R times T over 100, where P is the principal amount or sum, R is the rate of interest per annum, T is the time in year, and A is the total amount which one has to pay, which includes principal amount plus total interest, which is A. So these are the basic terms which we use when we calculate the simple interest. Now we'll see a few problems on the same concept. Find the simple interest on rupees 8,000 at 6% per year for 4 years. So what all we have here? We have principal amount which is rupees 8,000, rate of interest which is 6%, then we have time which is 4 years, and what we need to calculate? We have to calculate interest. So we have the formula for interest which is P times R times T over 100, where 100 is nothing but the adjustment of this percent which is associated with the rate of interest. So I is equals to 8,000 times 6 times 4 over 100. This 20 will be cancelled with these 20. So I is equals to 80 times 6 times 4. After multiplying these three numbers, we will get 1,920 rupees. And this is known as interest, which is the extra amount which one has to pay after 4 years. So here I have taken the next problem. Find the total amount on rupees 2,500 at 4% per annum for 5 years. So what is given here and what is asked? So find the total amount. Total amount we represent by A, capital A, and this we need to calculate. On what amount? On this. So this is the principal. P equals to rupees 2,500. At what rate? 4%. So R is 4%. And for time period 5. So T is 5 years. Now we know A is what? A is nothing but the total amount, principal plus interest. So we have the formula for interest. We will calculate that first. I equals to PRT over 100. We will substitute the value which is 2,500 times 4 times 5 over 100. This 20 will be cancelled with these 20. After calculating all the numbers, we are going to get 500. So I is equals to 500 rupees. This much amount is the interest which one has to pay extra. But we are supposed to calculate total amount which is A. And A is equals to P plus I. So P is what? 2,500 plus 500 which is equals to 3,000 rupees. So the person has to pay 3,000 rupees after 5 years. So here I have taken the third problem. On what sum of money does the simple interest for 5 years at 11% become rupees 2,750? So what we are given with? We are given with, first of all, we can see here time is given. So I can write T equals to 5 years. Then rate of interest is given which is 11%. Then the simple interest become, means this is given I. I is given rupees 2,750. And what we need to calculate? Calculate sum of money. Means principal we need to calculate. We have the formula I equals to PRT over 100. Here we need to calculate P. So I'll keep the P here and transpose all other values to the other side. So I times 100 over R times T. This 100 will go up and this R and T will come down. So I is given 2750 times 100 over, what is R given? 11. What is T given? 5 here. Now 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 25 is 275 followed by this 0. Now 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25 followed by 0. So the principal amount is 50 times 100, which is 5,000 rupees. So on this amount, for 5 years at 11% interest rate, the interest will become 2,750 rupees. So here in this video, we have learned what is simple interest and few problems on that. So in the next video, I'll come with a few more problems on the simple interest. Thank you.